I am King Nebuchadnezzar, and I have built for you an idol. Actually, I didn't build it. My men built it, because I don't do crap. But you will worship it because I say so. So all of you bow down. They're all bowing down. Or aren't you guys bowing down? Who do you think you are? Bow down, or I will throw you into the fire. Who are you?
Shadrach.
I'm Mesach.
Abendago.
That means nothing to me. Who are you? Why will you not bow down to my idol?
Because we serve one God, and that's not him.
Who is he? Where is he at? Do I see him? Is this your God? Is she your God? Is he your God? I hope not. He's Guatemalan. Is he your God? Am I your God? I better be your God. Guard, take them to the furnace. Go.
King, instead of 3 people in the furnace, there's now 4.
How is there 4 people in the furnace?
Oh.
How are you still alive?
Because our God.
You mean your God is the true God?
Yeah.
Oh, no way. How about your God? Insane.